How to create an event on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can create an event on Facebook. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to create an event on your Facebook, first of all, launch your Facebook application and log in into your account. After you are logged in into your account, you'll be able to see the home interface, and you just need to head over to your profile at the right side at the top right. And when you head over here, you can easily find the events option. When you scroll down a bit until you find friends, just tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see different kind of events here. But in order to create your own event, just tap on this plus icon. After tapping on the plus icon, you can create your own event. So you may just type in your event name here, anything random. After that, you can see the date and time. You may just select your date and time, and you can write it if it is in person or it is virtual. I'm just gonna select a virtual for now, like Facebook Live for now, and tap on done. You may select any of the event, like if it is in person or virtual. After that, who can see it, like event privacy, public, anyone, friends. You may just select any of the audience. After that is done, you may just type in the details of your group, like what kind of party it is, what kind of event it is, like that, and you may just type in anything there. After that, you may also add co-host if you want, and simply you may also add a picture if you want, and a GIF as well. You may just tap on upload. After that is done, simply tap on create event and wait for the event to be created. And then you may just send the invitation links or text or email. After that, your event has been successfully created onto your account. So you may also invite your friends if you want. After that is done, that should basically do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.